Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the best soundtrack bubble emote location in Heartopia game during the best default update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the movie guide. Okay, and as you can see here, we can unlock the best award emote if we find the best soundtrack bubble emote. And this is like a riddle guys. If you want to unlock the emote, you need to find the bubble, the best soundtrack bubble. You need to pop the bubble and you will unlock this best award emote. Okay, and I'm going to show you where you can find it. You can find it on the art street. It's right here. You're going to go to the central square first and head to this area. And on the art street, you will find a piano. It's here, sorry. And you can find the bubble about the piano. The bubble will appear right here, guys. But since I've popped the bubble, I can't find it now. It's already gone. But you can find the bubble here. And you just need to pop the bubble to unlock this best word emote. Okay, this is how the emote looks like. And yeah, it's cool. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the best soundtrack bubble emote location to unlock the best award emote in Heartopia Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!